Understanding Matchday Squad in football. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase from the world of football, soccer, Matchday Squad. This term is frequently used in sports commentary and articles, so understanding its meaning can enhance your comprehension of football discussions. The term, Matchday Squad, refers to the group of players selected by a team's manager for a particular match. This squad typically includes not just the starting 11 players but also substitutes. Understanding this phrase is key for any football fan or anyone learning English through sports. In most professional football leagues, a matchday squad can consist of 18 to 23 players. This includes starting 11, the primary team starting the game, substitutes, players on the bench who can be brought in during the match. The team's manager or coach plays a crucial role in selecting the matchday squad. Their choices are influenced by factors such as players' fitness, strategy, and the opponent's strengths and weaknesses. The composition of a matchday squad can give insights into the team's tactics for the game. For instance, including many defenders might indicate a defensive strategy, while several strikers suggest an attacking approach. Being part of the matchday squad can be a significant morale booster for players. It signifies the coach's confidence in their abilities and offers an opportunity to contribute to the team's performance. Understanding the term, matchday squad, not only enriches your English vocabulary but also deepens your appreciation of football's strategic aspects. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.